dark skin, light skin, medium tongue, sperm ting braids, got mini afros, big lips, got tips, some of us don't, big nose contour, some of us won't, never wanna pass in a video, bro, wanna fight pretty like a Kardashian, wanna fight pretty like my
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Tan if you're new. In today's video, we have a unit that was sent over from LuvMe Hair. Today's unit goes by the name of Popping and Classic, almost said classy, but it's classic, Afro Curly Glueless 5x5 Closure Lace Wig. If you want to find out my thoughts and opinions, you guys already know, continue to watch. But before we get into the video, make sure you're subscribed, please and thank you. And also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Also follow me on Instagram and TikTok, they are both at Dotson. Let's get into this install.
Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You don't wanna hit me up when you make.
Okay, so let's go ahead and talk about this unit from LuvMe Hair. As far as the cap construction goes, it is your standard cap construction with 3 combs in total, 1 being in the back, the other 2 being at the very front. It also comes with adjustable straps and a security band that you can remove if you choose to do so. As for the lace space, this is a 5x5 closure, meaning you get 5 inches going across and 5 inches going back for your parting area. So if you are someone who's not really into units being on your edges, this is perfect for you because your edges will be exposed. According to the website, this unit is supposed to be 100% human hair from one donor. It can last up to 1 or more years, and of course that's with the proper care. It is a natural black color. The hairline is supposed to come pre-plucked. It can be dyed because again this is 100% human hair. It has adjustable straps. The circumference of this unit is the 22.5 inch, meaning this is their standard medium. I almost started to say their standard unit, their standard medium sized unit, and the area space, lace area space, again is a 5x5 closure. I've never said this in any of my LuvMe Hair reviews, but I've always noticed that they put 100% human hair from one donor, and the reason why they put that, or at least my thought process on why they put that, is so the buyer can know that the hair textures will match. And when I say will match, meaning the closure or lace parting of the unit will also match with the rest of the unit, if that makes sense. Off the top of my head, there's only one unit that I can think of to where the lace and the rest of the unit didn't necessarily match completely, but other than that, I feel like every LuvMe Hair unit that I've had, the hair textures match. I know that was really random, but I just really wanted to add that in there. Speaking of texture, this unit is mimicking 4B 4C hair. I mean, hence the name, Poppin' and Classy. I keep wanting to say classy, it's classic, but I mean, it's classy because of the texture and the styling of her. But it's a poppin' and classic Afro styled unit. The density of this unit is 180% density, but because she is mimicking 4B 4C hair, it honestly feels a lot thicker than that. It's not heavy or anything like that. It's actually very lightweight, but it's a very full unit for sure. Moving on to tangling and shedding, I did get a few strands whenever I was finger combing the hair, but that could be due to the fact that I did go in and pluck some more hair out of the hairline off camera. I haven't gotten any tangling, but keep in mind this is a unit that's mimicking 4B 4C hair, so therefore treat it as such. And what I mean when I say that is whenever you go to comb out or brush out this unit, make sure you're starting from the ends and working your way up. If you start from the top and then try to go down, you're gonna rip out more hair than what should come out. As for the lengths that are offered in this unit, you can get her in a 12 or an 18 inch. If I'm thinking correctly, I have the 12 inch, but I could be completely wrong, so just make sure to check the description box below for all the correct information. To me, this unit is a very easy, low maintenance, beginner friendly type of unit, and not only because it's a 5x5 closure unit, but also because the hair doesn't take a whole lot to make look nice. If you have 4B, 4C hair, then you know we typically have to wash it, condition it, dry it, add 1,000,001 products, and then of course set it some type of way. With this unit, you don't necessarily have to do that. What I originally did with this unit was just washed it, conditioned it, and then I let it air dry, and the curls came out really nice and really popping, if I do say so myself. But on camera, I did go ahead and decide to use some type of product and water in the hair just to see how it would hold up. To me, I feel like this unit could work with or without product in it, but I would say if you choose to not go down the product road, at least add a little bit of oil sheen because it can look a little bit on the drier side. If you want to know the product that I used, it was the Cantu Care for Kids Curling Cream. I actually used this cream in my kiddo's hair. My youngest son has a really tight 4C hair curl pattern, and my oldest son has like a 4B, 4C with some straight pieces in there as well. So it works for both of them. It works more so for my son's 4C, my youngest son's 4C curls. With my oldest son, I use other products, and I can list those down below. But something that I also recommend is Cantu's moisturizing curl cream, I want to say. It comes in a jar. For me, it's hard to find in stores, or at least my surrounding stores, so I typically find it on Amazon. I can have that link below if you want to check it out. Lastly, let's go ahead and talk about the price of this unit. On LuvMe Hair, the 12-inch does retail for about $180, and I know somebody's probably clutching their pearls right now, but it's okay because I do have a coupon code that you can use, and that coupon code is Dotson. I want to say that'll save you about 20 to 25% off of your entire order on the entire site, so make sure you take advantage of that. Also, if you're not in the business of paying that all up front at one time, they do offer Klarna, Afterpay, and Zip, meaning you can pay for your unit over the span of 6 weeks in 4 equal payments. But yeah, that's all I have to say about this unit. If you are someone who loves your 4B, 4C hair, but you don't want to fool with your 4B, 4C hair, me, I'm talking about me. This is the perfect unit for you and me, especially seeing as how you can wear this unit as a glueless unit, which means she's perfect for throwing on and going. So just know, I mean, none of you know where I live, but if you were to ever see me out, especially in the morning, 9 times out of 10 I'm gonna have this unit on. When I gotta take my kiddo to school, oh yeah, I'm throwing this unit on. Why? Because it looks like my hair, and nobody's gonna be able to clock me. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Also, make sure you subscribe to the channel before you leave, and also make sure you click the bell, that way you're notified anytime that I upload a video. Follow me on Instagram and TikTok. They're both at Dotson. I'll be sure to have a direct link to this unit in the description box below. Make sure you take advantage of my discount code. Again, that is Dotson. Other than that though, I don't have anything else to say except for I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.
I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real.